Hello friends, welcome to Big Foodies. Please subscribe to Big Foodies to get the latest recipes and don't forget to hit the bell icon to get latest notifications. Friends, today we are making restaurant style or dhaba style palak dum aloo or haryali dum aloo. You can also call it as spinach baby potato curry. Haryali dum aloo recipe is a creamy and delicious recipe that is cooked in a spinach gravy. Palak dum aloo is a simple and healthy combination of green leafy vegetable, spinach and everyone's favorite aloo or potato. Compared to its more famous and popular sibling palak paneer, this dish is vegan. It is also a good choice if you like spinach but are not so fond of eating paneer or are looking for a lighter dish while keeping the nutrition in it. This vegan dish is a good accompaniment to all types of Indian breads like rotis, parathas, naan, etc. or rice. This recipe is not oily and spicy but rich in aroma and taste. Let's check the ingredients now to make this delicious treat for your family and friends. For making palak dum aloo, we have taken baby potatoes. We have taken about 300 grams of baby potatoes and we have peeled them with knife. And now we need to shallow fry them. Add the potatoes one by one in the oil and shallow fry them. Shallow fry them in batches if they don't fit in one batch. We need to shallow fry the potatoes until they are golden brown on all the sides. Keep stirring in between when you are shallow frying them. So remember to shallow fry them on a medium flame and keep stirring them in between. So now you can see that the potatoes are nice golden brown. So now we can take them out and we can fry all the potatoes like this. So now we have fried all the baby potatoes for palak dum aloo. So after frying the potatoes, take a toothpick and make some holes in the potatoes so that when we will add these potatoes in the palak gravy, then the flavors of the gravy goes inside the potatoes. We are pricking it after frying because if we will prick it before frying, the oil will go inside the potatoes and they will become too much oily. So we wanted to avoid that. So that's why we are pricking it after frying it. So now prick all the potatoes using the toothpick. So let's prepare the spinach gravy now. So now for preparing the palak puree for palak dum aloo, we have heated 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan and now add some cloves of garlic, some ginger, some cashews. So roast the ginger and garlic and cashews for a minute or two. So once ginger, garlic and cashews are roasted, add the chopped onions and green chilies. So we need to roast the onions until they are golden brown. Once onions are nice golden brown, we will add the washed spinach. So we are adding about half kg of spinach here. So now we need to cook the spinach until it is reduced in volume. Keep the flame on medium while you are cooking it. So we have to cook it without any lid for 1 to 2 minutes until it is cooked nicely. Keep stirring it while you are cooking it. So now you can see that the spinach has been cooked nicely. So now turn off the flame and transfer this spinach immediately into a blender. So now we have transferred the spinach into the blender. So as soon as you add the spinach into the blender, add the cold water on top of it. So this is actually a trick to preserve the green color of the spinach puree. When you add the cold water, it helps in preserving the green color. Otherwise, the palak or spinach will turn black if you don't add the cold water immediately. So after adding the cold water, blend this mixture immediately. So now we have blended the palak puree or spinach puree. You can see that how beautiful green color it still retains. So let's prepare the gravy for palak dum aloo now. Now use the same pan and add about 2 to 3 tablespoons of ghee for frying the gravy for spinach dum aloo. Once the ghee is hot, add the cumin seeds. So we are adding about 2 teaspoons of cumin seeds. Allow the cumin seeds to roast. Add some asafoetida or hing powder. Now add whole cloves. So we have added 2 whole cloves. 2 whole black cardamoms. Break it open while adding. Some whole black peppers as per your taste. Add some cinnamon sticks. So we have added the bay leaves and whole red chilies. Roast the whole spices so that all the flavor of spices blends into the oil. Now add the chopped onions. So we have used about half onion while making the puree and half onion while making the gravy. Now add the salt as per your taste. Add half teaspoon of turmeric powder. Roast the onion until golden brown. So once the onion is nice and soft, add 2 medium-sized tomatoes. Add 2 teaspoons of cumin powder. Add a teaspoon of garam masala powder. Mix it and cook the tomatoes until nice and soft, and it will start leaving the oil on the sides. Add some sliced green chilies as per your taste. This is optional. If you don't want to make it too much spicy, just give the sliced green chilies here. So now our tomatoes are nice and soft and they started leaving the oil on the side. So now add 1 cup of yogurt or dahi. The dahi will give a creamy flavor to this recipe and it will taste really delicious. After adding the dahi or yogurt, cook it really nice for 2 to 3 minutes until it starts boiling nicely. So now you can see that our gravy has started boiling really well. So now add the fried potatoes. Mix them. Cook it for a minute and then add the spinach puree or palak puree that we have prepared. So you can see that our gravy has retained the beautiful green color and it really looks very beautiful and delicious. Add some water as per the consistency of gravy you want. And now we need to cook it for at least for 8 to 10 minutes on a medium-low flame, so that the gravy and potatoes blends well with each other and the flavors of spinach and gravy goes really well into the potatoes. Add a tablespoon of dried fenugreek leaves or kasuri methi. Crush them a little bit with your hands and add them. Mix them well and simmer this gravy on a medium-low flame for at least 8 to 10 minutes. Cover with a lid while simmering it. So we have cooked it for 10 minutes more and now we can serve it. Give it a stir and serve it. So now we have served the palak dum aloo. While serving it, garnish it with some grated paneer. So we have garnished it with some grated paneer. So this palak dum aloo or spinach potato curry really tastes very delicious. You can enjoy this with roti, paratha, naan or rice, and you can prepare it at the time of any celebrations or festivals. Enjoy it with your family and friends, and if you like this recipe, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for many more delicious recipes, and don't forget to like and share this video. Thank you so much for watching.